Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Bootloader. So, to get started, we're going to turn off our device. Now, I am in a setup process right here, but this doesn't really matter at all. So we're going to press power button, volume up at the same time, which brings up our boot options, and in here, just select power off. When you do, give it like solid 5 seconds afterwards. It does take a device a little bit to actually turn off, even though the screen looks like it's already off. And then we're going to hold power button and the volume down at the same time. Gonna hold them for just basically brief moment. Now let me just kind of redo this. So when you start holding both power button and volume down, hold them and then let go of the power button. So once you let go of the power button in like a second or so, you should feel a vibration, and then it will take you to the bootloader. In here, you can use the volume down to navigate through the 3 options. So it's gonna only scroll down and then jump all the way back to the top, just to demonstrate this. So, and in here we have 3 options. So recovery mode being the first one, second one being Fastboot, and last one being normal boot, which is just going back to Android. So that's what I'm going to select, and you select things using volume up. It looks like nothing is happening, but just give it a moment and this will just turn off. There we go. And it should now boot back up into Android, or more precisely for me, to the setup screen. So you can see we're now back. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.